guys, today I'm going to show how to use Trello boards to wedding planning. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful videos and tutorials. Now head to log into your account and click on create new board. Name it, for example, wedding, and hit create. So for the cards list, for example, let's say here you want vendors cards. I can add a list there, for example, bookings for your wedding. I can also add the vendors for your wedding, budget, for example, timeline, and you can add all these add cards here, guys. So you can add a title for your card, for example, contacting vendor. Click on add card. You can edit this description, add description and detailed checklist of members, and so on, guys. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.